What's going on, everybody? It's 2020, and you know what that means. It's a new decade, and it's a convenient time to start making new goals. If those goals happen to be marketing, boy did you end up in the right place. In today's video, we're going to cover a topic that many business owners would like to handle internally, but most don't know where to start, and that's blogging. And we're going to make this process as simple as Thanks for tuning in. If you like what we're doing, make sure to hit that like button, leave us a comment, or hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and throw 4 minutes up on the clock, and here we go. Today we're going to be talking about content marketing and the easiest way to develop ideas so that you'll never have writer's block again. Or at least not when it comes to developing topics to write about. So the concept we're going over today is called splintering. And the idea is to take a process that you're familiar with and break it down into chunks that you will write about individually. So, how does this concept work? I'm glad you asked, or you were thinking about asking, or you were interested enough to get to this part of the video. Whatever way it is, we're going to use the concept of cooking breakfast and show you how we can develop at least 10 different articles that we can write. But first, B-roll. We first start off by listing out the steps in the process of what we'll actually be doing. For my breakfast, I like a nice portion of eggs, avocados, toast, potatoes, cheese, and so much more. So here's our list of the process. Number 1, we go to the store, we buy the ingredients. Number 2, we get the eggs out of the refrigerator. Yeah, I just missed my finger. Number 3, we get the avocados out of the tray. Number 4, we get the potatoes out of the tray. Number 5, get the tortilla to make a breakfast taco. Number 6, get the pan out of the cabinet and set it on the stove. Number 7, turn the stove on and put the pan on the heater. Number 8, spray that pan. Number 9, dump the eggs in the pan. Number 10, season the eggs. Number 11, cook the eggs. Number 12, combine for one unbelievably delectable and delicious start to my day. Yum. Obviously, there are more detailed steps to making breakfast other than the 12 that we just listed out, but they will suffice for this example. Now that we've listed out the steps, we have the blog number 1. Hot damn. But what about the 9 others that I promised you? This is where splintering comes into play. So let's look at these individually. Number 1, go to the store, buy the ingredients. What are some of the types of content that we can actually get out of this step? Which store is the best based on prices and ingredients? How about which type of ingredients make the best breakfast? Or what about the best ways to transport the ingredients from the store to your home? You see what I did there? Now we have 4 blogs just from listing out the first step. This is so easy that even a caveman could do it. But I still owe you 6 more blogs now. So let's take a look at step number 2. Get the eggs out of the refrigerator. So what are the types of content that we can get out of this? The differences between brown eggs and white eggs. How about the differences between organic versus non-organic eggs? Or the differences between free-range and non-free range chickens. Right there, we have up to blog number 7. Or even, how about this one? The proper way to store various foods in the refrigerator. Blog number 8. Now, we are cooking with fire. You see what I did there? No? Maybe I should stick to marketing. We can do this with every step of the process and will only be limited by our creativity. So let's look at step number 5. How did breakfast tacos originate? Blog number 9. Or step number 10. What are the best seasonings to use in eggs? Which could be blog number 10. And there you go. 10 blog ideas just from writing down the process of making breakfast. You can do this with any industry, any process, at any time. This is applicable to the real estate and mortgage industry, the restaurant industry, the dental industry, the automotive industry, the marketing industry. Literally every single one. And time. So what do you think? Do you find this to be a good way to develop content? Do you have other ideas? If you do, drop them in the comments below. Is there a marketing topic you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments and let us know. Until next time, happy writing.